reaching my hand down and yeah, almost grabbed that. All right, so here's what the floor is looking like so far. As you can see, I got all the subflooring down. Everything's nice and secure and sturdy. As I said in the previous video, I cut this and put it over. That was the homeowner's idea. He wanted it so that way if it ever leaks, water just leaks out into the ground. Got the vanity and the sink in. Got the vent in. I don't know what the hell what I did here, but I must have mismeasured just a little bit because my first hole I drilled, my pilot hole, was off just a little bit, as you can see. Got the plumbing all done. I actually went through and replumbed this entire house. As you can see, there's new PEX coming up through the floor right there. I ran new PEX all the way through here up to these valves. That goes into the bathroom. This bathroom is pretty much ready for trim, is what is needing to be done. And here's just trim and do the around the windows. But as far as I know, he said he's going to be replacing the windows, so he wants to hold off on that. You see down here, I got the new pipes ran. I need to still go underneath and fasten the pipes up so that way they stick up equally. But everything's looking pretty good now. Maybe I'll put some before and after pictures. Yeah, like I said, all of the subfloor has been replaced, as you can see. All right, I got the bathroom floor set in, and I couldn't set the toilet in yet because I lost the hardware for the toilet to hold it to the floor. So I have to hold off on that till tomorrow, but here's the floor. Here's the bathroom. You can see it's come a long ways compared to what it used to look like. But yeah,